In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently navigate through pages in a Microsoft Word document using a simple keyboard shortcut. This tutorial is perfect for anyone looking to enhance their document editing skills and speed up their workflow. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open your Microsoft Word file. This can be any document you have saved on your computer. You can do this by either double-clicking on the file name in your folder or using Word's File menu to open the recent documents. Once your document is open, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the content and structure. This is particularly useful if you're working with a long document where quick navigation can save you lots of time. Now, when you're working with longer documents, it can get cumbersome to scroll through or use the mouse to navigate across pages. This is where a helpful keyboard shortcut comes into play. To navigate to the next page, use the Ctrl+PGDN keys. Hold down the Ctrl key, which is typically located at the bottom left or bottom right of your keyboard, and then press the PGDN key. This action will quickly move you to the next logical page of your document, allowing for seamless transition when reviewing or editing content. Conversely, if you need to go back to a previous page, perhaps to double-check a detail or cross-reference information, the keyboard shortcut is just as simple. Hold down Ctrl again, and this time press PG up. This will take you back one page, facilitating easy navigation in reverse. By using these shortcuts, you can swiftly move forwards and backwards through your document without needing to rely on a mouse or trackpad, allowing you to maintain your workflow momentum. This keyboard shortcut is particularly beneficial for editors, students, and professionals who regularly work with extensive Word documents. By utilizing these commands, not only do you save time, but you also reduce the strain on your hand from repetitive scrolling or clicking tasks. It's a small change that can make a big difference in your daily document routine. And there you have it. With these simple commands, navigating through any Microsoft Word document becomes a much more streamlined process. It's a quick, efficient solution to improve your document handling, allowing you to focus more on content creation and less on logistics. Practice this a few times, and soon it will become second nature. Thank you for tuning into this tutorial, and I hope you find these tips as helpful as I do in managing your Word documents. Keep exploring and refining your skills, and we'll see you in the next video.